So, how's your experience po so far in participating in this type of activity?
Nag-e-enjoy ako kasi first time ko to. This is actually my first time. Sa 4 years ko ay Wells Fargo. So, parang medyo eye-opening siya kasi sobrang liit lang ng coastal na nililinis namin pero ang daming kalat.
Second time ko na ito nag-participate dito sa wetland. And personally, magandang experience siya kasi alam mo, isa rin ako sa guilty na nagkakalat sa surroundings natin. Pero this is something na ma-realize mo na importante pala talagang maging disiplinado tayo.
So, sa tingin niyo po, ano po kaya yung makukuha nating benefits or ano yung magiging long-term impact po kapag patuloy po tayong nagvo-volunteer?
With the volunteering activities, makakatulong to sa future natin. First is yung discipline na mapapamana natin sa mga susunod na generations, how to take care of the environment and to be more responsible.
Well, number one, you can help the nature, the Mother Earth will thank you for what you're doing, and at the same time, you can be a good example to the next generation, even if it's outside Wells Fargo or co-employees.